Meanwhile, while the soup is going and boiling, I got my tomatoes, some arbol chilies, a garlic, and a little quarter of an onion going. This is what we are going to use for our salsa. Now, you can use whatever you want in your salsa. It really doesn't matter. I like to make it like this when I'm pairing it with the chicken soup. The arbol chili is going to make the salsa spicier than if maybe you use some jalapenos, just to kind of give it maybe a mild kind of spice. I like to have a bit of a kick when I'm adding it to a soup. So what you're going to want to do is just kind of let that cook down. You're going to want to turn these over. Also, you want to keep flipping these just because these can burn very fast, and you just want to lightly toast them, then go ahead and throw them in the blender. But yeah, just go ahead and watch these, and then when you feel it's ready, you can go and turn it over when you see a little bit of a char on there. So far we have took the arbol chilies off. You just want to toast them a little bit, and we have also took the onions off. I'm gonna let these just cook a little bit more on their backs. The garlic is really toasting, and yeah, I'm gonna throw that in there. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, blend it up, put some water, maybe just a little bit of water. You don't want too much, and we are good to go. So I think the tomatoes are looking a little bit ready. You can go ahead and throw them in the blender at this point. So be careful, they're going to be a little bit squishy. But yeah, that is it. And you're going to put some salt, and you are going to blend this, and you are ready to go. All right, so we have our tomatoes, onions, garlic, arbol chilies, and we are ready to go. You just maybe want to put a little bit of water in there, probably up to maybe that 2-cup line. A little bit of Himalayan pink salt, not too much. These salt crystals could be a little bit strong, so you kind of want to be easy when it comes to that salt. All right, it is a little bit watery. You don't have to add as much water as I did. As it cools, it will actually stiffen up just a little bit. But yes, I'm sure this is tasting great. It smells amazing, and it is perfect for your chicken soup. You guys are gonna love it if you follow this recipe. Also with the salsa, feel free to put cilantro in it or anything that you feel like you like. I like kind of keeping it short and simple when it comes to my soups. This, I did put a little too much of this salt. Coarse Himalayan pink salt is very strong, so you just need a small amount. So try not to look at a camera and pour it in a blender at the same time like I did. But it is still very edible. I actually really like it. And I actually think that it will taste great with the soup because I'm not going to be putting as much salt in the soup, so it actually might just give it the perfect flavor.